Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about HTML attributes. So let's see what is it. First, let me create the page here. Once I will create the page, then we will see how to do this. So inside the body tag, we have to create the attribute. In that case, we should know what is the attribute here. Fine. So attribute is the second thing we write after the image tag or like any other tag that is available. For example, here I am going to create an image. Fine. So let me just go and get one image from here. I will just copy the address here. Okay. After that, I will mention the address here. Okay. Now we will start the part of the attribute. What is the exact meaning of the attribute? Okay. So here you understood inside the source tag, we have mentioned the attribute. Fine. So here this source tag is called the attribute. Fine. Attribute will help you to place the thing that is necessary. Fine. After that, there is one more attribute we can create. For example, I am going to write alt here. What is the meaning of alt? Once this image is not available on your screen, what if there is an error in your image? So if that particular image is not available, you can give the option of alt. So for example, see, if the image is not available, what is the alt inside the alt you have provided? I have mentioned the image. So the text is available now. So this alt means alternative. If the image is not over there, you can provide the alternative of that image. So here I have provided the alternative of that image. Okay. So I hope you understood. First, let me complete this doc type for this HTML. I will just write language. This is the format you should always write inside your HTML tag. So you can also just write control 1 or shift 1. So you will definitely get these kind of language, but you have to provide all these stuffs. Otherwise, you won't be able to check it. Fine. So in that case, I have provided all the text here. Okay. Now reload this text and you will not able to see the proper things like what is happening, but every single step means something. So you have to provide the format. There is a format attribute format you should provide. What is the name of that format? For example, inside the name, we will provide the values. So these are the things I'm just commenting out. So these are the notes you should write. Okay. So after that, let me just write the notes here. What is the exact meaning for that? So you will be able to understand. These things, I hope you understood what is the meaning of attribute. Attribute will help you to give you exactly what you want. For example, inside the H1, I will just write the attribute here. Okay. After writing attribute in HTML, I'm going to explain you what is this. Fine. So here I have written the style. So here the style which I mentioned here is called the attribute. Fine. So because this is helping me to make it more attractive, right? Enhancing this particular font that I'm. So now I can write the alter font style or the text align, all these kind of things. Where I'm writing in styles. What is style here? That is called the attribute. Attribute will help you to make your thing and the tag much better than it is. Fine. So now on screen, you can see that with the help of attribute, you can make your text to the left or the center or the right. So attribute is helping you to make your heading much better. Image is making me to provide the image. Okay. Now I am giving you one more attribute here, that is the 500 or a 50 pixel, whatever the pixel you want to provide. Now I have closed the tag. That is why it is giving me error. Wait. For example, I am giving you the width equal to 50 pixel. Okay. And the height I am providing is like for example 80 pixel. So now these are the attributes I'm mentioning here. Okay, so it is helping my image to give me fixed length and height of it. So I hope you understood what is the meaning of attribute here. This is one of the easiest way. You just pause this video, read it and try it. Then you will be able to understand it properly. Okay. So here I am going to write a tag. Here href is the attribute that we were talking about, because href will provide you the link that we want to work on. Okay. So that is how you can work in case of the attribute. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.